Hello, I'm Abhishek, and in this video we are going to discuss set 7 of Reasoning section of CAT 2017 slot 2 paper. So the question is, okay, a tea tester was assigned to rate teas from 6 different locations: Munnar, Wayanad, Ooty, Darjeeling, Assam, and Himachal. These teas were placed in 6 cups numbered 1 to 6, not necessarily in the same order. The tea tester was asked to rate these teas on the strength of their flavor on a scale of 1 to 10. He gave a unique integer rating to each tea. Some other information is given below. Cup 6 contained tea from Himachal. Tea from Ooty got the highest rating, but it was not in cup 3. The rating of tea in cup 3 was double the rating of tea in cup 5. Only 2 cups got ratings in even numbers. Cup 2 got minimum rating, and this rating was an even number. Tea in cup 3 got a higher rating than that in cup 1. The rating of tea from Wayanad was more than the rating of tea from Munnar, but less than that from Assam. So this was the information that was given to us. Now let us try to figure this out कि कौन से cup में कौन सी tea है, which cup contains which tea from which place, and what is the respective ratings. So I have made this table. This table में what we'll do is cup number we will try to relate it with the city and the rating given to it. And as we know that the only 2 cups were having even rating, so even है या odd है, that also will look for. Now first of all, the 6 places were we will use the short form only: M, W, O, D, A, and H. These are the 6 places. Fine, and that's it. Now let us try to solve this question. Move करते हैं. Okay. So these are the 6 cities. Now let us try to use this information given. The first information was cup 6 contained tea from Himachal. So this is direct information. We can directly write Himachal over here. Okay. Tea from Ooty got the highest rating, but it was not in cup 3. So Ooty, so whichever information we are not able to write it down in the table, I will write it here, so that we know that कि कौन-कौन सी information को use करना बचा है. So Ooty की is highest rating, but it was not in cup 3. So I will do one thing. यहाँ पर O लिख के cut कर देते हैं. That simply means that यहाँ पर Ooty नहीं आ सकता है. The rating of tea in cup 3 was double the rating of tea in cup 5. So if the rating of cup 5 was X, so this must be 2X. Now this is something which is multiple of 2, so this has to be even number. This has to be even number. Fine. Now fourth information is that we have only 2 cups that got even number rating. So we have even 2 and then odd must be 4. Fine. Cup 2 got the minimum rating, and this rating was an even number. So this is also an even number. Now from here we can say that all the remaining 4 cups must have received odd rating. Fine. And cup 2 got the minimum rating, and this rating was an even number. एक बार हम यहीं रुकते हैं. Let us try to find this out कि cup 2 को क्या rating मिली होगी. Now see, this X is odd. Now X can be either 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. But X cannot be 9 because 2X then will be 18. But the highest rating available is 10 only. The rating is on the scale of 1 to 10. So X cannot be equal to 9. X cannot be equal to 7. X cannot be equal to 5. X 5 क्यों हो सकता है? Because if we assume X to be 5, this will become 10. So 10 is the highest rating. Fine. But then highest rating is of Ooty. पर यहाँ पर Ooty नहीं आ सकता. That means यहाँ पे highest rating नहीं आ सकती. So we cannot give a value of X to be 5 as well. Now let us check for 3 and 1. Now suppose the value of X is 3. So this will become 6, which is quite possible. And if the value of X is 1, so this will become 2. Now, as of now, I am keeping both the cases. दोनों में से कौन सा case correct है? That I don't know as of now. तो आगे देखते हैं. Tea in cup 3 got a higher rating than that in cup 1. Now see, cup 3 में कौन सी rating है? That we are not sure of as of now. तो हम इसको रोकते हैं. अच्छा, cup 2 got the minimum rating, and this rating was an even number. So cup 2 got the minimum rating, and the number is even. So this can be either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 10. But this is the minimum rating, so it cannot be equal to 10, it cannot be equal to 8, it cannot be equal to 6. 4 भी नहीं हो सकता है, because यहाँ पर जो भी rating होगी 1 या 3 वो 4 से कम होगा. So the only option that we have is 2. तो यहाँ पर rating है 2 और यहाँ पर rating है 2, तो यहाँ पर 2 नहीं हो सकती. That means यहाँ पर rating is 6 and here it is 3. अब हमें पता चल चुका है कि द रेटिंग्स आर 2, 6 and 3 respectively इन तीनों में. तो let me remove all this. इनकी रेटिंग नोट डाउन कर देते हैं. So here the rating was 2, here it was 6 and here it was 3. Fine. Now moving to information number 6. T in cup 3 got a higher rating than that in cup 1. Now cup 1 में जो भी rating है that is less than that of this rating. Fine. Now this is the minimum rating. So out of the 5 odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, we cannot have one rating to any of. We cannot give one rating to any of the cup because 2 is the minimum rating. Fine. तो 1 को मैंने eliminate कर दिया. Now out of these 4 options 3, 5, 7, 9, 3 हम पहले ही दे चुके हैं. So let me remove that also. Now we are left with 5, 7 and 9. And it is given that the rating is less than that of the rating of cup 3. So only option 5 will satisfy this condition. So here the rating must be 5. Fine. तो ये भी हमको पता चल चुका है. फर्दर देखते हैं आगे क्या इंफॉर्मेशन है. So further the information is the rating of T from W was more than the rating of T from M. The rating of T from W. Fine. तो जो W से rating है that was more than the rating from M but less than A. ठीक है. Okay, so now this is also one of the information that the rating of W was more than that of M but less than A. Fine. So ये भी एक condition थी. Now see, यहाँ पर भी एक odd number आएगा, यहाँ पर भी odd number आएगा, and the odd number that we can have is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. उसमें से 3 we have already used, 5 we have already used. 1 cannot be used because the minimum rating है that is 2. This is the minimum rating. Fine. Now we have to use either 7 or 9. But हम यहाँ पर 9 नहीं दे सकते हैं because that will be highest और highest तो ऊटी से है. तो यहाँ पर 9 देके and this city must be ऊटी then. Fine. और यहाँ पर the only option that we have now is 7 only. So in this way we have completed these 2 columns. Although city वाला column is still not completely filled. But let us check for the questions कि क्या questions है. So I am removing this. ये और ये जो information है that we have already used, I am removing all that. Okay, so moving to first question of set. The first question is, what was the second highest rating given? What was the second highest rating? Now you can see that the ratings are 9 in descending order. The ratings are 9, then 7, then 6, 5, 3, and 2. So the second highest rating was 7. So the correct answer to this question is 7. Moving to second question. Okay, what was the number of cup that contained tea from Ooty? So it Ooty wala was in cup number 4. So the correct answer to this question is 4. Fine. So third question of this set: if the tea from Munnar did not get the minimum rating, then what was the rating of the tea from Wayanad? W. Fine. Now we know that this rating is fixed. This 9 is of Ooty. This 7 is of H. And now we know that A is greater than W, which is greater than M. So M या तो ये केस हो सकता है AWM, and then one left is D, or either ये दो values are fixed, or we can have this case D over here, then AWM, fine, or we can have this case A, then D, then W, then M, or we can have this case OH, then A, then W, then D and M. Fine, ये सारे cases possible है. But in the question it is given that T from Munnar did not get the minimum rating. So M की जो rating है that cannot be 2. So we have only one possibility. What was the rating of T from W? So the rating of T from W was 5. So the correct answer to this question is 5. So now let's move to the last question of this set. Last question is, if the cup contains T's from W and Ooty has consecutive numbers. Now see, Ooty ka number is fixed, that is 9. So W can either have the number 6 to be consecutive with Ooty, or it can have the number 3. Let me remove all this. Fine. So W ke paas we have these 2 options only. है ना? Because consecutive का condition is given to us. Now let us check which of the following may be true. Now this is fixed. This is O and this is H. These 2 values are fixed. Cup 5 contains T from. Let us do one thing now. एक बार हम W को 6 दे देते हैं और एक बार हम W को 3 दे देंगे. So if we give W as 6, this is not possible. Why not possible? Because A is greater than W. और यहाँ पर A के लिए कोई स्पेस नहीं बचा है. So this case is not possible when W was 6. This case is not possible. So we now know that the value of W is 3 only. So this is O, this is H, this 3 is W. And W is greater than M, so M must be 2 only. Fine. Now we have confusion between A and D. So either of A and D will be given the rating 5 and the second one will be given the rating 6. Fine. So this is the case. Now question is, cup 5 contains tea from Assam. Yes, this is possible. Now cup 5. Cup 5 is the one with rating 3. So this is not possible. 3 rating जिसकी है उस पे it's W only and it is fixed. We don't have any option. So this is wrong. Cup 1 contains tea from Darjeeling. Cup 1. Cup 1 is the cup number 1 is the one with rating 5. So 5 वाले में Darjeeling. Yes, this is possible. This is possible. यहाँ पे Darjeeling आ सकता है और Assam भी आ सकता है. So this might be true. Fine. Tea from W has got a rating of 6. No, हमने W का 6 पहले ही cancel कर दिया है. So this is not possible. Tea from D got the minimum rating. No. D की minimum rating नहीं हो सकती है. Minimum rating is 2, whereas the rating of D can be either 5 or 6. So this is also wrong. So we can say that option B is the correct one. So this was easy set again from CAT 2017. I hope this must be clear to all of you. Thank you so much for watching the video.